Welcome to the video about FLIKI, a tool that is revolutionizing education. In this video, we will explain what FLIKI is, what it is for, how to use it and some examples of its use in education. FLIKI is an artificial intelligence platform that helps teachers and students to obtain relevant information quickly and accurately. With FLIKI, you can create videos, ebooks, and podcasts in an agile way. FLIKI's interface is very easy to use. Just enter your information in the text field and FLIKI will start creating a video with images and voice. In addition, you can customize the type of voice in different languages. Through FLIKI, teachers can create customized resources that fit the individual needs of each student. For example, if a student is having difficulty understanding a text, teachers can use FLIKI to transform the text into a video and make it more accessible to understand the information. In addition, FLIKI is able to analyze the structure, content and grammar of the work to translate it into another language. To find more information about tools and use cases of artificial intelligence, go to ceddie.tech and click on the Innovation section. And remember that we are at your service at CEDDIE Zoom connection.